Do you think in 5 years, the main thing that I'm looking at in Cursor will be code or something else?
I think it might be something else. I think that there are big simplification, but kind of when you're defining what a piece of software is, there's like the logic component, which is what engineers spend a lot of time on, of designing exactly how the software works. There's also, for end user applications and things that have GUIs, there's like this visual component. And I think that there is, maybe it's gonna be us, maybe it's gonna be someone else. There is a future version of the world where the way you interact with AI is a little bit less like, it's a human helper that you're delegating work to or looking over your shoulder, predicting the next set of things you're going to do. And instead, it's a little bit more of an advance in compiler or interpreter technology. And it could lead you to a world where programming languages actually change. And they can start to get a little bit less formal. They can start to get a little bit higher level. They can start to be a little bit more about what you want and a little bit less about how you do it. And I think that it won't look like a Google Doc necessarily. I think that there are things you want to keep around from programming, like the naming of logic somewhere, and then using that in a bunch of other places. I think that there's also this other element too of the visuals of what a piece of software looks like. And I think maybe us, maybe some other tool, but I think there's a world where kind of direct manipulation of the UI starts to play a little bit more into it.
Yeah.
But these are kind of far-flung experimental ideas, making that effortless, reducing the kind of weight of an existing set of logic, I think is one of the areas in which AI can make programming better.